In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently log a call in Salesforce using the interface at Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com. This guide will walk you through each step of the process to make sure your call logging is both efficient and thorough. Let's begin by navigating to the home page of Salesforce. Simply open your web browser and enter the URL provided, which will direct you to the home page. Once you're there, you'll notice that the interface is designed to be user-friendly, with a clear layout to help you locate each feature with ease. Next, move your attention to the App Launcher. You'll find this feature is symbolized by a grid icon at the top of the page. One click on this icon reveals a menu of available applications and options that Salesforce offers. This launcher is the gateway to many essential tools within Salesforce, so getting comfortable navigating through here will save you time in the future. Scroll down the list of apps in the App Launcher and select the Contacts option. This will redirect you to the Contact Management section, where you can view, edit, or manage existing contacts, as well as add new ones. Finding and managing contacts is crucial for maintaining good customer relations, so it's great to invest some time here. As you look through your list of contacts, find the specific contact you wish to log a call for. This might be someone you've recently spoken with or need to follow up on. Click on that contact to open their detailed profile. On the Contacts Profile page, you'll see a tab labeled as Activities. Direct your focus here as it includes all activity-related actions, such as logging calls, tasks, and events. Go ahead and click on the Log a Call option to start recording your interactions. Upon selecting Log a Call, begin by inputting a subject. Choose a concise yet descriptive title that aptly summarizes the essence of your call. This helps in easily recalling the purpose of past interactions during future reference. After inputting the subject, it's time to provide your comments. Write detailed notes about your conversation, including any key points discussed or follow-up actions agreed upon. The more detailed your notes, the more useful they will be for future reference. Following this, you can select the contact names or add a related contact if this call involves multiple parties or topics. This is particularly useful if you need to keep others informed or need to tag relevant people who might be part of this call thread. Finally, once every detail is accurately entered, be sure to click Save to record your log. It's vital to confirm that your entry saved successfully. Review the activity log to ensure your call is recorded correctly. This step completes the process and ensures that your communications are documented neatly within Salesforce. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has made logging calls in Salesforce a little bit easier for you.